In this video, we're going to be talking about TAT. Why am I talking about TAT lifestyle and wellness? Well, because a lot of people watch these videos and they want to hear my thoughts on them. Well, maybe people want to hear my thoughts on them. Some people might not. But hey, you clicked on my video, so obviously you want to hear my thoughts on this. So, what is TAT's business? Their business is to attack the tobacco companies. They are going to supposedly their business model is, or their investor presentation is to replace people's cigarette habit with hemp-based non-nicotine tobacco replacement beyond tobacco. My biggest problem with this is that what happens, like, I just can't see people, suddenly wanting to, hey, I'm gonna switch from smoking cigarettes to smoking hemp-based cigarettes that has no nicotine in it. I just can't see people doing that. I mean, they might try it, but I think ultimately they'll go back to their regular cigarettes because people need nicotine. Unless they are trying to quit. And most cigarette smokers are not trying to quit smoke. They're not trying to quit smoking. They enjoy smoking. They enjoy the nicotine. They might try a TAT cigarette, or maybe smoke a pack or two, but ultimately they are probably going to ignore it, and they're probably going to go with their regular cigarette. And let's say if a person did want to try to quit smoking, let's say if you want to try to quit smoking, this might help you quit smoking, but once you are not addicted to cigarettes anymore, are you going to continue to go back and buy these hemp cigarettes? Or are you just going to completely quit smoking altogether? Like, I don't know. So, this is my 2 cents. At the end of the day, if you're a retail investor, I would be very, very cautious about buying it at these levels. I would say if the stock goes back to $1.30, $1.50, maybe, closer to $1.50 or to $1, okay, get a little bit bullish there, because the reward versus risk is much better because that's near the bottom. And the fact that the business raised $6 million at $1.30, at $1.30 it's, a lot less riskier. So personally, I probably wouldn't buy at these levels. I am a bag holder right now, but I don't own too many shares. So if the stock price drops, I will buy, but I will hold this long term just in case this becomes a big winner and they are successful at, attacking a multi-billion-dollar industry, which is the cigarette smoking industry. Just in case they are able to do that and become a valuable, a couple $billion company down the road, which is a possibility. Not gonna deny that fact that is definitely a possibility. So this is another thing that I have to just remind people that okay, so on October 8th, October 6th, so that's about 10 days ago, or a little less, 8 days ago, because right now it's October 14th as I'm making this video. They sold a bunch of tobacco, not beyond tobacco products to the Ohio convenient, the Ohio distributor. If we get a piece of news near the end of this month that says that they completely sold out of all the TAT products, because this is a lot. This is a lot. This is not something small. This is a lot. So if they completely sell out of their beyond tobacco product, and they are telling the market that they are selling very well and they cannot keep up with demand, the stock will skyrocket. It will skyrocket. But if they don't come up with any kind of news release on the fact that demand is extremely high, then the stock could tank, to $1.30, $1.50, even lower, maybe to $1. So definitely be careful. Don't be bullish around here. This is my opinion only. I'm a shareholder and I'm a bag holder right now, and of course, I'm just giving people my honest opinion. I think that this stock is based on news. So I mean, if a big piece of news comes out that demand is strong, the stock will skyrocket because rich people and retail investors would come in and pump the stock up. But if there's no news, I think the stock is going to be slowly selling off, in my opinion. So we'll see what happens, but that's my consensus anyways on this stock. So we'll see what happens. Right now, the SPY is looking a little green. I think tomorrow might be a green day because today was a red day. But it doesn't matter. If you hold the right stock, you'll be green anyways. Because look, NIO is green right now. NIO's up another 99 cents after hours. Another $1.2 billion got pumped into NIO. That's a lot of money. A lot of moolah, lots of big rich people are buying NIO stock. Why? I don't know. I don't understand it. But hey, you know what? If you're a NIO investor, you are like, thank you, rich people. Thank you for transferring your wealth to me. Well, unless you bought at $26 too, so which wouldn't make you really a big winner. But if you bought this thing at $2, woo! Or if you bought this thing at like $5 or $10, you are laughing it up right now. But if you bought this thing at like $25 or $21, it's okay. It's good, still good profit. But hey, that's just my opinion. DPHC down after hours, 55 cents. I still like this company. I still think this has a really big potential, especially if NIO is worth $32 billion. I think when Lordstown is rolling those trucks off the assembly line, I think the market will evaluate Lordstown ride much higher multiple, like maybe like 10 billion or 20 billion. So I still think that Diamond Peak Holdings at these prices are still undervalued. Of course, the stock price can go back down to $10. If it does go back down to $10, that is an opportunity of a lifetime. I'm telling you guys, if this thing goes below $10, that is an opportunity. Will it do it? I don't know. If the company messes up and the market, or if the EV market bubble pops, absolutely. Like, let's say Tesla went back to like $100. Diamond Peak will probably go to like $3, and NIO would probably go to like $4 or $5. If the EV market bubble pops, Diamond Peak Holdings could go down dramatically. So we'll see what happens. Right now, the EV market bubble is still there, so we'll see. Like I said, high risk, high reward, Lordstown. Solo is getting rewarded right now. Why? Well, maybe it has to do with charting that is bullish, and on top of that, big money. Not big money. The Solo car is getting released very soon here, and the market is excited for it and buying up the stock. I don't know. At the end of the day, this 36 million shares of Voyum is not by retail investors. Not at all. Because, not a lot of... Okay, think about how many people talk about Solo. 2, 3. Not very many YouTubers talk about Solo. Yet Solo is trading at 36 million shares. 36.52 million shares. This is not retail investors. This is bots, institutional investors, market makers, and rich billionaires and millionaires pumping the market. Not a bunch of small retail investors pumping this. Nope. Day traders are also adding into the volume too. So, yeah. Workhorse is up 18 cents after hours. I think Workhorse at $23 is a decent pricing, but if there's no news on Workhorse for a while, I think the stock will go down. But if Neo keeps going up, I think that might drag up Workhorse with it. Candy Technologies down 5 cents after hours. Tesla down 95 cents after hours. Already talked about Neo. GameStop up 5 cents after hours. I still, I'm still calling it. I still think that GameStop is undervalued, but that's only my opinion. AMD is down a little bit, down 24 cents after hours. The lower it goes, the more attractive it becomes, in my opinion. Xilinx is down 75 cents after hours. I really don't have too much to say about this. The higher it goes, the better. Yep. Kensington Capital Acquisition Corp. Up 16 cents after hours. Not too much to say about that. Switchback Energy. Up 43 cents today. Down 8 cents after hours. Blink up another 11 cents after hours. Today had a nice day, up 74 cents. Plug Power was up 17 cents, 1% today. Up a little bit more after hours. Trine is down 8 cents. GMHI is up 4 cents. Afria is going to be an interesting day tomorrow for Afria. If Afria goes red, I will drag down the rest of the MJ space. Aurora is already down. I mean, Aurora might not even get affected tomorrow because it's pretty hard for short sellers to get this thing to $2, but I want them to get it to $2. Canopy Growth is up 10 cents. Kron is neutral, and Tilray is down 8 cents. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.